India's relationship with other countries. In this unit you learn relationship between India and China, relationship between India and Pakistan, relationship between India and Russia, relationship between India and USA. A family can never prosper without interacting with another family. Similarly, a country can never progress without interacting with another country. In this globalized and modernized environment, it is inevitable for a country to have relationships with another country. It is not a necessity now, it is a need. In the fourth part of our Constitution under Article 51, international peace and coexistence is explained. It is discussed under directive principles of the state. India strives to have cordial relationships with other countries as per the directions of the Constitution. Relationship with major neighbor countries India and China. China is a big country which borders India. The relationship between China and India goes back to Mesopotamia and Sindhu River civilization times. Buddhism, which originated in India, has found wide acceptance in China. The relationship between China and India goes back to ancient times. Many Indian rulers had cordial business relationships with Chinese rulers. The silk trade between China and India is discussed in Kautilya's Arthashastra. After the emergence of India and China as two sovereign republics, their mutual relationships were guided by Panchashila principles. A war broke between India and China in 1962 due to the escalation of the Tibetan crisis. After the war, border disputes arose and these disputes still remain unresolved. The insistence of China that Arunachal Pradesh belongs to it is one of the main bones of contention between the two countries. In spite of the border disputes and wars, the bilateral relationship between India and China has remained and continued healthy. Both countries have the highest population and are identified as the leading economies of the world. India has established a good trade relationship with China after the 1980s, and this has further cemented its relationship. With continued efforts of India and China, BRICS, a group of countries established in 2015, further strengthened the relationship between India and China. India and Pakistan are neighboring countries. Pakistan is not only a neighboring country, but was also an integral part of India during the pre-independent period. However, after the India Independent Act of 1947, both countries became independent sovereign states. Soon after independence, the foreign relationship between both countries started. Issues like terrorism, the Jammu and Kashmir dispute, and water-sharing conflicts exist between them. Both countries have fought 3 wars. In order to improve bilateral ties, many agreements such as the Tashkent Agreement, Shimla Agreement, Lahore Bus Yatra, and Agra Conference have been entered into, though these have yielded very little. This is because, in spite of these bilateral talks, attacks on the Indian Parliament House in 2001, the Mumbai attack in 2007, and the Pathankot attack in 2016 have continued to affect the quality of the bilateral relationship. Activity: collect the present information from newspapers regarding the relationship between India and Pakistan. India and Pakistan have clashed over the years regarding the Jammu and Kashmir issue. There are a few similarities between the two countries. Both share common cultural and economic ties, and mutual exchanges in these fields have continued. The mutual trade relationship has persisted ever since independence, and both have responded to each other's needs during emergencies and natural calamities. Relationship with powerful countries India and Russia. India has a cordial relationship with Russia. It had a similar relationship with United Socialist Soviet Russia as well. Even though India followed a non-aligned policy, it maintained good relations with Russia in economics, politics, and other areas. USSR had opposed China's invasion of India in 1962 and, during the Goa liberation in 1961, had supported India at the UNO. The USSR supported the Tashkent Agreement between India and Pakistan in 1966, and in 1971, India and the USSR signed a 20-year agreement for peace and cooperation. The USSR also supported the establishment of the Bhilai and Bhokura steel plants. India has taken major support from Russia to improve its industries and technology, and Russia has extended its support to India's quest for a permanent seat in the UN Security Council. India and the USA are both democratic and large countries. In the present international scenario, both have a major role to play. The relationship between the two has undergone several shifts since 1947. During the bipolar Cold War era, India maintained equal distance between Russia and the USA through its non-aligned policy. The USA supported many of India's 5-year plans and extended its support during the Indochina War of 1965. However, later the political leaders of the USA extended their support to Pakistan during the war between India and Pakistan. Many times, the US's foreign policy has been perceived as anti-Indian and pro-Pakistan. Interestingly, both India and the USA share an interest in controlling terrorism. India enjoys a better relationship with the USA in the fields of foreign trade, science and technology, space science, education, and other areas of mutual interest. Both countries share a mutual responsibility in strengthening the UNO and maintaining global peace. India continually observes the policy shifts in the two major parties of the USA, the Democratic and Republican parties, and adjusts its policies accordingly. India also maintains a cordial relationship with other neighboring countries like Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Nepal, Maldives, Afghanistan, Indonesia, and others.